Guys, it's Kelly at Garden Discovery, and I just wanted to follow up on the purple fountain grass video that I did 3 months ago when I pruned it back and showed you how I did that. And I just wanted you to see how it comes back, and it's just so deep, and that purple is just beautiful. And so here's 3 of them. And behind the rock garden there's 2 more. And then I'll take you out to see the other ones along the path here up to the fountain. So here we go. Here's the other one, and 1 more, and 3. I almost always plant those in groups of 3s, obviously except for the 2 behind the rock garden. And then I also have some newer ones that are in the spiral. And these are the ones in the spiral. They're a little hidden by all the annuals, but there they are. There's one, and the other one is down there. It's kind of hard to see. The flowers are kind of blocking it. And then I have another one down here. So let's take you around and get a little bit closer. So again, there's one. Doing well. And the other. And then crawling through things here. Where are you? And there's the other one. So yeah, pruning them back is vital. It's really good for the health of the plant. And so you want to do that. I was a little late this year, but it didn't harm them. We're in zone 9B and in California. And so I was able to do that in, I think it was early winter. But they've come back and they're doing really great. And yeah, so hope this was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel. And I want to thank everybody who has recently subscribed to the channel. Really boosted it. And thanks so much. If you haven't seen the videos on my trip to Ireland last month, then go check those out. There's a playlist on Ireland, and I visited a lot of really beautiful gardens there. So this is my garden at home, and I'm doing a lot of workout today in the garden, doing some deadheading, and headed over to a neighbor's to get a start of a cigar plant, so I'm excited about that. So I hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you.